For those two demonstrations, I can demonstrate that when you take a triangle and add the three parts together, they automatically add up to 180 degrees. Now I want to show you how we can do that mathematically. Some of it's pretty simple, but I'd like you to practice, as we have all year, using algebra. So in much of the work, I could sit down and actually measure this with my protractor, but in the work you're going to do, you can't because the drawings aren't accurate. So you'll end up with a question something like this. And these numbers are most definitely not accurate. You'll end up with a question like this. Here is one way to solve that question. Now, if they give you x already, like I did, you don't have to write this sentence. But if they don't, you'll need this sentence first. And then, (78 plus 48 plus x) will always equal, we know, 180 degrees. Then using the skills we learned earlier, now I know a bunch of you can look at this and you already can tell what the answer is, but it's good practice for all of us to keep reviewing these algebra skills. First thing, I'm going to simplify by adding these together. Is this right? (78 plus 48), is that 126? Good. Now I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to get rid of this. Whatever I do to one side, oh, you're so quiet. Where's Quinn when you need him? Thank you. I'm sure Quinn will enjoy hearing that when he listens to this later. And when we subtract over here, we end up with our answer. And a reminder, of course, you can check your work to make sure you actually did it right by plugging in what you think x is right here. And don't get in that habit of just assuming it works, but actually take the time to add it up. And that does indeed come out to 180. And that's how to show your work when you're doing this assignment that you're about to start.